This is Guwahati, a city where the time flows like Brahmaputra, timeless and full of stories. From ancient temples to modern streets, this is a city that breathes history and hope. So let me take you on a journey where we will know about the history of this beautiful city. So, what does Guwahati mean? The name is rooted in the Assamese words Guwa and Hati, where Guwa means arecanut, which is a vital part of Assam's culture and social traditions. Meanwhile, Hati means market. Together, Guwahati translates to arecanut market. The city was previously known as Pragyotishpur, which means the light of the east, was even mentioned in the Puranic texts like the Ramayana, where it is described as the fortress of the demon king Narkasur.
Did you know the Ahom ruled Assam for nearly 600 years and greatly influenced Guwahati for their culture and history? Though their capital was in Upper Assam, Guwahati became an important center during their reign. They renovated the Kamakhya temple and built fort to defend against the Mughal invasion. Even today, sites like the Navara temple and fort remind us of their legacy.
Colonial Assam. Colonial Assam refers to the period in the history of Assam between the signing of Treaty of Yandabo and the independence of India, where Assam was under British colonial rule. When the British transformed the spiritual and cultural hub into a modern administrative center, making it the nerve of the region. With the advent of British Raj, many educational and infrastructure emerged which shaped the mold of this modern-day Assam. After the independence, Guwahati became a gateway of Northeast India and became an important center of point. However, the journey was not easy, such as the Assam movement of 1980s, which shaped the political structure of Assam, where people started a revolution of self-independence, where many industries and factories grew and people became self-reliant. The Guwahati of today is a city of contrasts, where the history meets future, where people are modern but still deeply attached to their culture, which makes it a cultural hub where many tourists come yearly, witness festivals such as Bihu and Ambabuchi festival, while also being the powerhouse of Northeast.
Okay, if you ask me to just tell one line about Guwahati, I would say that I can think of no place other than Guwahati to call my hometown. And I have always been in love with Guwahati. Guwahati has the potential of winning every heart due to its pristine beauty, beautiful landscape, the mountains. Now recently Guwahati has emerged as a Tier 2 city. But very soon, I'm sure and I hope it will reach the status of Tier 1 city, looking at the pace of infrastructural development. But I really miss old Guwahati. That serenity, those lush green fields, that forest cover with frequent chirping of birds. Anyways, my love for Guwahati will never fade away, and I pray to the Almighty that it emerges as a mighty city. Thank you.
In the end, Guwahati is a city that gives you hope that after hardships and problems, people can still start over, lead the life they wanna be. Truly a city beyond time.